All right, okay. We had a lovely meal. It was a lovely lunch. Now we are trying to find our way that it will be here. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful here. A nice beach down there. Look at that coast there. All right, okay. Let's see if we can find a place where to park. I think we have to come on the other side. Look at this beautiful beach here that we have here. You got some places here where you can take some massage if you want on the beach. You see, you have the beach and you have the massage place. And you have place to drink, have a drink. And here is full of bar and restaurant and fruit, how you can see. So it's very nice. And let's go look at this beach here. Let's go look what we see here. It's very nice. Look, this is the massage place. If you want, you see massage on the beach. And look at this, very nice. Actually, the water looks very clean. Yeah. Not many people, to be honest. Look at this. This is very beautiful. All the way to there, the beach. And, the water is very clean here, actually. Very nice, actually. Very nice to bath here. We should have take our swimsuit and come to bath, actually. Yeah, I need to come one of these days before I leave. Ha! Or if not, we're gonna go to Krabi. Anyway, let's go. Let's go see where else we're gonna go here. Let's see what we have here close. See, we are looking for a place that makes smoothie. Or nice coconut, fresh, nice cold coconut water. That will be good too. Sweet talk, we don't want sweet talk. Ciao Pizza and Grill. tomorrow we're gonna go somewhere else. Let's see where we're gonna go tomorrow. For now, good morning, guys. So I cannot leave Phuket without coming in Old Town Phuket. We have to come to visit here and see how it is. This almost doesn't look not even Phuket. It looks like European, French style. A few buildings actually looks like almost like in the Alps, full of flower in Switzerland. It remembers me Switzerland. Anyway, let's look at this place. Let's give around here and let's look. If you come to Phuket, yes, you have to come here and you have to see Old Town Phuket. All right, okay, let me show you. All right, guys, so look at this. Look at this beautiful place. Very nice. So let's walk here around a little bit. And let's look at this nice old town. It's really characteristic, different than any other place here in Phuket, really. It's a nice place, nice ice cream place. And here you go, and here is the people. Look at this beautiful building here, very nice. And here at the end, the street, they close the street on Sunday, and you have the night market here. You have to come, you have to eat the food here at the night market. It's very nice. It's every Sunday night. And this is, you see? Hello. And you see? We got all this nice building here. That's you see the style of all this building is like it's like European style. And here at the end we have this temple. So, okay, so here is the temple, so the night market is on the other side from where we are coming. This is a good ice cream place. You got some good coffee shops here. Very good coffee. And here at the end you have this beautiful temple. Very nice temple here. All right, okay. You can go all around here and you have all these shops and this old town Phuket. Look all the shell that you have here. Very beautiful shell. Look at this Chinese building here. It's like a Chinese style building. Look at this. Look at this beautiful building here. Over here. Lots of coffee shop and ice cream place here everywhere. And many tourists, of course, too. And I think this is the most beautiful building here. Everybody stops here to take picture. It's like a coffee shop, and everyone stops here to take picture of this. All right, okay. Look at these beautiful bikes that are here. Huh? Very beautiful. Unique bikes. They are very nice. Like unique bike shops. And here is Al. Look at this. What a beautiful coffee is my morning wine. That's good. Places here. Get some clothes. Many shops here around. So this is the street where they make the market on Sunday. So on Sunday this is all closed, Sunday night, and they have the most famous market, night market here in Phuket. Really, is this. And so you have an idea where he is. It is just corner with this building, the famous building that everybody likes to take picture. The corner with this. This is the street where you have the market, the Sunday market. To pass over the two because it's two buildings here. All right, okay, let's go back to the hotel, and this will be everything for today and everything here in Phuket. And tomorrow morning we will go to Ao Nang Beach, Krabi, and we will see how it's there. Anyway, for now, let's just go back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the day. All right, okay. Thank you very much for following me. If you like this video, please subscribe. Please push the thumb up. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.